My Regency aircraft monitor radio scanner, made by Regency. See where the light's just right. Turn my fan off over there. Yeah, it won't talk when I try recording it. I've tried this several times today, but I don't know when it was made. Well, he's talking there. There's something on each one. I've listened to it before in the winter time. But crystal controlled. Put the little crystals in it. Back before stuff was programmable. But I do not know how old it is. I just thought I'd make a real short clip of it. Well, they're not going to talk anymore. Well, I get busy doing something. I've been cleaning all my radio equipment. They'll just chatter away. But you grab the camera and then they're gone. Isn't that the way it goes? Just 8 channels. 1, 2, 3, 0. Well, I made a liar out of me. If you wanted to lock out one, you just press the button. Press the button again. So you want to lock out this one. Yep, thanks for watching.